All right, one take to help everybody out. I have a 1992 Toyota pickup with a 5VZ swap, and I have an ORS conversion harness. And and then I swapped in dual transfer cases. So I've got a gear-driven transfer case with the manual, or I guess analog gear-driven speed sensor. So it uses this speed sensor, and then it usually goes into a cable because this is electronic speedo in my truck. I've got this small adapter. Just realized I'm dripping here. Small adapter here. So I got plug and then the adapter to go from analog to digital, and it uses this little pin. And my speedo wasn't working, and I've been kind of diagnosing, trying to figure out what's going on, swapping wires, pulling it out, running on the drill, all kinds of stuff. And then I just swapped this cable end, still didn't fix it. I figured out what the issue was. This, I'm gonna put this back in so this doesn't leak. Back in there. Okay, so this little piece, so part of the adapter here, when you drop it in here, and then it's gonna go a certain way so it fits, and then I put my plug on here, it would work sometimes but not all the time. It was kind of intermittent, which is why I thought it was electrical. Turns out this shaft is not sticking out far enough to engage this guy. So originally I tried pulling out this little felt washer. That didn't do it. So what I did is I took a little Dremel wire wheel and I cut the end off just to get, where'd it go? This little piece here, little piece of the shaft. And what I've done is I'm dropping this in first, and then putting this shaft on top, and that gives me a lot more sticking out, and that's about the max you can have sticking out. Before it was about an 1/8 inch sticking out, maybe a little less. I mean, you know, the length of my spacer there, so maybe a little longer than that. Anyways, but yeah, it wasn't engaging. So now I stick that on there. My speedo's working. So if you're having speedo troubles, give that a shot. Hopefully this helps you out. See ya.